In today's video, I'm reviewing Content Render AI, the brand new software that promises to revolutionize how we create content. In the next few minutes, I'll go over 7 crucial things you need to know about it, including whether it's worth your time and what makes it stand out from the crowd. Stick around till the end, because you don't want to miss my final thoughts on whether it's actually the best AI tool for content creators and marketers. Plus, I'll show you how you can try Content Render AI completely free with the link in the description below. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, Content Render AI is designed to take your content creation to the next level. If you're looking for an AI tool that can generate high-quality articles, blog posts, and even social media content at scale, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. It's built for marketers, businesses, and creators who want to save time without compromising on quality. The software promises to help you produce SEO-optimized content with ease, and it delivers on that promise in a big way. One of the key features that sets Content Render AI apart is its incredibly intuitive interface. Unlike some other AI tools that have a steep learning curve, this one makes it easy for anyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, to get started immediately. The layout is simple, and the content generation process feels smooth. You can start by providing basic input on the topic you want content about, and it will handle the rest. Next, let's talk about the customization options. Content Render AI doesn't just spit out generic content. You can tailor it to your specific audience, niche, or writing style. Whether you need a formal tone or something more casual, the software adjusts to your needs. This level of customization is crucial for creating content that resonates with your target audience. Plus, it's really good at maintaining context, so if you're working on a long piece, it keeps your messaging consistent throughout. Another major advantage of Content Render AI is its focus on SEO. It's equipped with tools to help you optimize your content for search engines, which is essential for anyone who's serious about digital marketing. It analyzes the latest SEO trends and uses that data to make sure your content ranks higher in search results. This feature alone can save you hours of manual research and optimization, making it a must-have for marketers looking to boost their organic reach. When it comes to speed, Content Render AI is a game changer. It can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. This makes it perfect for anyone who's working on a tight deadline or needs to create content at scale, whether you're handling multiple client projects or just need to pump out regular blog posts for your own site. This tool helps you stay on top of things without breaking a sweat. Of course, no software is perfect, and there are a couple of limitations to Content Render AI. While it excels in generating well-written content, it's not always going to be 100% perfect on the first try. You might need to do some fine-tuning to match your exact requirements, but that's expected with most AI writing tools. And while it's great for SEO, it's still crucial to add your personal touch and ensure the content aligns with your brand's voice. Another thing to consider is that Content Render AI doesn't handle very complex or technical topics, as well as some other specialized AI tools. If you're creating content on niche industries or highly specialized subjects, it may require a bit more effort to refine the output. But for general content creation, especially for blogs, social media, and email marketing, it's fantastic. Now, if you're ready to try Content Render AI for yourself, check out the link in the description below where you can get started for free. After trying thousands of AI tools in my career, I've carefully selected my recommended ones, and Content Render AI definitely stands out as one of the best for content creation. It's versatile, easy to use, and gets the job done fast. Don't forget to check out the other AI tools in the description too, as I've handpicked them for you based on personal experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.